Good afternoon, guys. Good day, everyone, wherever you are listening to this from. This Wellness Capital, I will just take you guys through a particular topic that is very important in trading. In the past, we've spoken about trading journey as a whole, different means how one can earn in this trading of a thing. We've established that trading itself is a means to earn in this forex industry. And there are other ways as well. And part of it is what feeding on signals, influencing, marketing, and lots more. Selling robots and lots more. So I'll be taking us through how to perfectly making use of trading signal. A lot of people have been opportune to be in a group of a signal provision, which is enough to, change their life. But them don't know how to make use of it perfectly, deprive them on capitalizing on this particular opportunity to actually have this financial breakthrough that was their intention before they joined that particular crew. Because, in fact, it happens a lot where the signal provider will be in profit, while the people that fed on the signal will be in loss. Do you get it? So there are some series of topics that we will definitely treat that will enlighten us more about how to make use of signals perfectly. And one of the topic is PIPS, understanding PIPS and lot size. Understanding these two will actually give you right sense of risk management and trade management. You understanding how to actually risk your money on this signal will go in a long way, you get, to actually maximize the potential of this signal. Yeah, to start with, what is PIPS? PIPS, this is what I'm talking about. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. I hope it will have seen. Um, this is what I mean. PIPS. PIPS. What is PIPS? PIPS simply means point in price. Simply means what? Point in price. PIPS is just the unit of the what? Distance moved by price. Normally, the distance moved by a woman is measured in meter that can also be, be converted to kilometer and different. So distance is measured in what? In meter. Do you get it? Now, distance covered by price is also measured in what? In pips, point in price. The every foot taken by what? By a price, that unit point is measured in pip. This is what I'm trying to say. Now, as this price moves from here, can you see? As this price move from here, do I have that in here? As this price move from here, as this price move from here to here, there will be one particular distance from that 2 points. So if one want to measure how far price has gone, it can be measured in what? In pips. Is it well understood? Good. So how do we do that? We do that by doing what? By measuring or by trying to understanding difference in the pricing. For example, the current price is 1.03061. Yes. Why? When price was here, is at what? 1.02548. One thing I want you to note in pricing first is that pricing majorly used to be in 5 decimal places on chart. For example, the current pricing of Euro USD is 1.03062. Let's write it somewhere. 1.03062. 1.03062. Understood? You will understand. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how they used to represent pricing on chart majorly. There are some odd pricing that are not up to pricing of this type, but this is the major pricing model on what on the in the market. Now, where I'm going is now this 5 decimal places number. It is only 4 that we consider while counting pips. Do you get me well? It is only 4 that we consider while counting pips. See this 5th decimal places. Do you get it? It is not included in what counting pips. By the time I actually finish pips on itself, I might, just branch a little bit and tell us the fate of this what 5th decimal number. So where I'm going is, so the right pips counting, we start from the what 4th decimal number. We have 1.036 then. Do you get it? Do you get it? So if this price move 1 pip up, it will just be what? 1 point what? 0.307. Do you get it? This is what? 1 pip up. You will see the difference. It moves from what? 1.0306 to what? 1.0307. And when it actually move 1 pip down, it will what? 1.0305. I don't know if you get it. That's the gist in pips. That's the gist in pips. That is, if as we are having this price now, 0.306, if we want to add 25 pip to this, if we want to have 25 pips, we will just add it from the back, 2 and 5. You see where it got in? As you are adding it, it now become 1.05 plus 6 is 11. 1. Then bring the 1 here, 3. Then 3. I don't know. Is that clear enough? So the price, when this particular price at this level move 20 pips, 25 pips above, the pricing will be what? 1.0331. Do you get it? That's actually what makes this our online forex trading or virtual forex trading different from the real life forex trading. For example, before one can realize profit in real life forex trading, this price might need to change at the, let's say, the 1 decimal place number before the profit can be reflectible on the real life exchange. Do you get it? Because they will be using, probably the 1 decimal place approximation to do their transaction. But in this virtual, any slight change in the 4th decimal number, you will be making profit. And slight change in the 4th decimal number as well, you will be making loss. In essence, we will have realized enough profit virtually trading forex than offline forex trading. That aside. So that is pips. For example, what I'm saying is, if the chart is like this, and this is what, let's say 1.1033 4 1. You see these 5 decimal places, and you are asked to what? Add 10 pips to this. Simple. You will just add that 10, starting from the what? The 4th decimal, this thing, the 4th decimal number. So, and the new price will be what? 1.10441. Thank you. 441. Simple. And if you want to remove as well, you will start the removal from the fourth decimal places. This fifth decimal place number, it is called pipette. It is 1/10 of what? Pip. I don't want to go deep into that so that some people will not be confused. Is that what I got in? So the pip that we actually focus to understand is what? Increment, or how far price has gone from a particular reference price. And these changes start from the what? Fourth decimal number. Do you get it? And this particular explanation actually goes to what? To the pricing system that is presented in 5 decimal places on chart. Do you get it? Like gold that is presented in 2 decimal places. If we should check gold, let's check it. XAUUSD. If we should check gold, you will see the pricing. The pricing is in what? 3 decimal places on the chart. We have 2820.195. Do you get it? So this last is a pipette. You get it? So the real pipe counting starts from the what? The what? The second decimal point. So if one want to add 10 pips to this, it will just be 2820 point what? 40. That's that about that. My community will deal more on Euro USD. That's why, we are okay and satisfied by understanding this 4 decimal uh, price representation in regards to what? PIPS calculation. Why this PIP calculation is important is that where you want to put your TP, you have to measure the PIPS. Do you get it? And where you want to put your stop loss, you have to what? Measure the pip. It must be definite. You must know, by you knowing the number of pips, you are risking, is how you definitely know the amount of capital you are risking. And by you knowing the amount of pips you want to catch in the market, that's how you will know how much you want to make in the trade. Now, how do we now uh be knowing how much we are risking and how much we are making by this knowledge of pips? That's where we need to understand what we call lot size. Oh, are you following me? Are you following me? These things are very simple. They are not difficult. They are not difficult at all. They are not difficult at all. So let's come to lot size. What is lot size? You have to imagine something here. You have to imaginate something here. Do you get it? Lot size. This is a particular number that we set by ourselves. We set it by ourselves while we are executing trade, which determine dollar per unit on that trade. If you want to execute trade now, either buy or sell. If you want to execute trade now, either buy or sell. We use MT5 or MT4 to do that execution, or any platform in the world you want to execute that execution. Before you can execute, they will ask you, which lot size do you want to use? Do you get it? They will ask you, you must input a particular lot size before you can execute that trade. So that number that you must input is what we call what? Lot size. And this lot size, its effect is that it is the one that determines how much will a pip will be costing on that trade. How much will a pip will be costing on that day? Because the cost of a pip is, how can I put it? It is not fixed. It depends on the set lot size. That's why the same trader executing at the same time and taking profit at the same time, and they are ending with different profits. Trader A can end with what? A trader A executed trade at the same time. Probably on Hero USD, trader A and trader B, they enter buy. Both of them catch 10 pip. Trader A earn $100, trader B earn $1,000. On the same 10 pip, they both gain. The difference in that two trade is the lot size trader A and trader B use. Trader B must have used a bigger lot size than what? Than trader A. Do you get it? So that lot size, how do we understand it? Simple. Lot size is a number. We are familiar with the number already. So is a number that started from what? 0.01, 0.01, 200. 0.01 to what? 200. We are free to use any, but you can't use lot size below 0.01. This is the minimum lot size. And this 100, I can't say is the maximum lot size, but in my all trading experience and all, people will actually look up to that hand big, the maximum lot size I've seen any of them using is 100 lot size. Do you get it? That's why I chose it to be the word maximum. I don't know if there's any trading platform that offer beyond that lot size. Do you get? So for now, this is the maximum trading lot size and this is the minimum trading lot size. Now, what we need to know about this lot size is that each of this lot size, what will be their equivalent dollar per unit pip if they are being used? Can Is it difficult? Simple. That's what we actually need it for. Though a lot of people in the trading industry, it is being categorized that we have micro, we have, there are a lot of categories. Do you get it? Which means that according to particular account size, this is a lot size you can use a lot. That is a good knowledge on that. But what I'm here to tell you guys is that how will you know that each lot size, how much will it be? Its equivalent dollar value in one pip. And is the simplest thing. Now, let's take 0.05 as a typical lot size one use on a trade. So on this 0.05 lot size, how much will be one pip? So dollar equivalent of what? Of pip. PIP. This one is pip. Lot size rather. This one is what? Lot size. This lot size. LOT. Why this is what? Dollar per what? Dollar per pip. So to know how much will a particular lot size will be amounting to in dollar per pip is just simple. You know what is it? The decimal point, just move it front once. Once you move it front once, that's the equivalent, that's the equivalent dollar value of that particular lot size. So in this particular example, it will now be $0.5 per pip. 0.5 what? Dollar per pip. So anybody using 0.05 lot size, it means that each unit pip would be costing him $0.5 in that particular trade. Do you get it? So if it gain like 3 pip, if the price move 3 pip in his direction, he will have gained $1.5. Simple. And if price move like 5 pips against him, against his direction, it will be what? 0.5 in 5 place, which will be $2.5 loss on your side. Do you get it? So knowing this lot size deeply in accordance with PIPS calculating will give you accuracy on your capital management. You will know what you want to risk, and you will be definite about it. You won't risk more than what you are ready to lose. Do you get it? So, giving further example, somebody that use 0.1 lot size, 0.1 lot size, this will be equivalent to what? Just move the decimal point forward. This will be what? $1 per pip. Someone that use 0. Let's say 25, $0.25, it's 12.25 lot size. Moving the point forward, we'll be having what? $2.5 per pip. Now, if someone now use 2 lot size, which is 12 lot size, this one, it look as if it's not having point. It's having point too. It is 12.0. Do you get it? It is what? 12.0. So moving the point forward, that will be what? $120 per pip. Simply put. Do you get it? Simply what? Simply put. Do you get it? So with this, I think we have understood pips and lot size, and expect the further videos that will really guide you well on how to what? On how to make use of signal properly. We will talk about trade management. We will talk about capital management, and we will talk about trade execution, and we will talk about different ways how signals are being provided. Some signals are provided instantly, some are provided in future, while different ways of which signal can be provided, and how you can easily make use of them perfectly. I still remain your guy, Realize. It's nice you've been listening, from the onset to this very moment. I appreciate you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the what? Profitable side. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.